Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes, I'll have the tuna fish for starters, and my daughter would like the vegetable soup.
1 tuna fish and 1 vegetable soup. What would you like for the main course?
I'd like the cayenne pepper steak, and my daughter would like the fried trout with mashed potatoes.
I'm afraid the trout is off.
Oh dear, what else do you recommend?
The sauce is very good.
Okay, I'll have that. Do you have any coleslaw?
No, I'm sorry we don't.
Just give me a small mixed salad then.
Same for me.
Certainly. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. May I see the wine list?
Certainly, you are.
A bottle of Stellenbosch 97, please.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Thanks.
컷! 좋았어. 좋았어.